Welcome to today's class, my dear students of class 2. Today we are going to learn the chapter Inside My Body. Inside My Body from your book, from your active learning book, that is EVS book, the chapter Inside My Body. So let us see what is there in this chapter. Inside My Body is the name of the chapter. So dear students, some of you have confusion whether your books are alright or not, so don't worry about that, because whatever you will be taught in the class, from that only the questions will be asked in any of your tests or in any of your examinations. So don't worry about that. Only learn the things which are taught to you. Okay, so therefore today's lesson is inside my body. So inside my body, that is inside your body or my body or everyone's, inside my body. In the previous chapter we learned about the organs that we can see from our eyes, but some of the organs of our body we cannot see from outside. We cannot see from outside. It cannot be seen from outside. Suppose, see here I have kept a picture for you. This is a boy. So this boy or anyone, whether boy or girl, inside the head there is brain. There is brain. So all of you have got the brain. For that only you can learn the things and you can think, or you can memorize the thing, you can keep the things in your memory. So this is brain. The brain is here. Our brain is found here inside our head. Then you see heart. Heart is found in our chest. Heart is found at the left side of our chest. Then you see kidney. Kidney is almost that near about the stomach. Then you see stomach. Stomach, you know, stomach is inside our, that is at the middle part of our body, stomach. So let us see. Then you see liver is also there, and lungs is there, the organ through which we can breathe and we can purify our breathing air. That is, the air is mixed with oxygen, and this lungs is very, very important, because these lungs helps us to keep alive. All these organs are very, very important. Eyes already you know, but inside the eye also there are different organs. Inside our eyes we can see only the some part of our eye, but inside the eye also there are some organs. So let's see what is there in your book. Let's see what is there in your book. So some of the organs we cannot see from outside, and which are there inside our body. So we should also know what is there inside our body. So therefore you see from your book, we can see all our body parts, but there are some body parts which we cannot see. They are our internal organs. So they are called internal organs. Remember, internal means inside. We can see all our body parts. But there are some body parts which we cannot see. And they are called, or they are our internal organs. So they are our internal organs. Remember, they are our internal organs. They are our internal organs. In the previous chapter you learned what are organs. So they are our internal organs. They are our internal organs. So the brain, therefore remember these internal organs. What are called internal organs? So what are called internal organs? The organs of our body part which we cannot see from outside are called internal organs? So I am writing this question for you. You will write down the question and answer. You will write down the question and as well as answer in your copies. In your copies you will write down what are internal organs? What are internal organs? What are internal organs? So therefore students, what will be the answer? What are internal organs? What will be the answer? The organs of our body. Answer will be the organs of our body, the organs of our body which cannot be, the organs of our body which cannot be seen, which cannot be seen from outside, which cannot be seen from outside, which cannot be seen from outside are called internal organs, are called internal organs, are called internal organs, are called internal organs. So this will be the answer students. Please write down this. What are internal organs? What are internal organs? The organs of our body which cannot be seen from outside are called internal organs. The organs of our body which cannot be seen from outside are called internal organs. So these are called internal organs. So internal organs cannot be seen from outside. We cannot see the organs from outside. For example, you see what is there given. What is given here? So we can see all our body parts, but there are some body parts which we cannot see. They are our internal organs. So we have learned what are our internal organs. Now complete the following sentences. Inside the head is the, I have already shown you, this is what? Brain. This is our brain. This is our brain. It helps us to think. The answer will be it helps us to think. It helps us to think. All of you write down. The answer will be it helps us to think. It helps us to think. That means we can think with the help of our brain. We can think with the help of our brain. We have to think various things in every day. So in day to day, not day to day, every moment we are thinking so many things. So we think with the help of our brain. See, students, therefore if our brain is not working properly, what will happen? We cannot think, we cannot remember anything, we cannot arrange the things properly. So that is why brain is very, very important. It is the master organ of our body. So it is the master organ. That means it controls our whole body. Our whole body is, the whole nervous system you can say, is controlled by this brain. So it is the master organ of our body. It is the master organ of our body. Therefore you see brain. First you see this brain. First point you see brain. So what is there? Let us see. Brain. The brain is the thinking organ. So remember students, the brain is the thinking organ. We can think with the help of our brain. The brain is the thinking organ. It controls all the organs of the body. So it controls all other organs of our body. All our organs. Suppose our hand, leg, everything is getting information from this brain. The brain is giving information to all the organs of our body. It collects information from our surroundings and tells our body organs what to do. So this brain, what is the work of the brain? It collects information from our surroundings. Surroundings means which is there around us. So it collects information from our surroundings. So from the surroundings, it collects various information, and what happens, it tells us it it tells us that, or tells our body organ what to do. So it collects information from our surroundings and tells our body organs what to do. So what is the work of the brain then? Remember students, you have to learn this very well. The brain is the thinking organ, so we can think with the help of our brain. It controls all the organs of our body. It collects information from our surroundings and tells our body organs what to do. It also tells our body organs what to do. So what are the uses of brain? The brain is the thinking organ. Then what does it do? It controls all the organs of the body. Then next what it does? It collects information from our surroundings and tells our body organs what to do, and tells all our body organs what to do. Then next you see students, heart. The next organ is heart. Our next organ is given here, our heart. So let us see what is there, or how does the heart look like. So this is our heart. This is our heart. So this is the heart. See, this is our heart. So this is our heart. This one is the heart. This is the picture of the heart, or this is there inside our body. So keep your hand on the left side of your chest. So all of you, keep your hand on the left side of your chest. I already told you that our heart is there at the left side of our chest. Now do you feel something beating like a drum? So there is something is there beating like a drum. Dub, 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 this sound you will get. Yes, it is our heart. So this dub, 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 this sound we get from the beating of our heart. So our heart always beats. Our heart always beats. Yes, it is our heart. It beats with a sound like lub dub, lub dub. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. Then you see students, the heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. So these are the veins. So through these veins, what happens? The blood comes to the heart, then it is purified, the blood is purified, mixed with the oxygen, and then again the heart sends this purified blood to all parts of our body. Then again the heart sends the purified blood to all parts of our body. A doctor uses a stethoscope to listen to the heartbeat. A doctor uses a stethoscope to listen to the heartbeat. So you will see that whenever you go to the doctor, he uses an instrument which is called stethoscope to examine your heart, whether your heart beat is proper or not. So to examine that, the doctor uses an instrument which is called stethoscope. I hope all of you have seen stethoscope. See students, this is the stethoscope. This one is called stethoscope. See students, this is called stethoscope. With this instrument, the doctor checks our heart and checks the other part, whatever is required, the doctor checks with this. So this instrument is called stethoscope. So all of you have seen, I hope you have gone to the doctor whenever you are ill. So and the doctor checks you or examines you with this instrument. So this one is called stethoscope. So learn the spelling properly, all of you. All of you have to learn the spelling. The doctor uses stethoscope, 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 to listen to the heartbeat. So doctor listens the heartbeat with the help of this instrument, and the instrument is called stethoscope. So therefore students, you have learned about brain and heart. So see students, these are our important organs. Without these organs we cannot live. When the heartbeat stops, the man dies. Any man dies when the heartbeat stops. So therefore, when the brain is not working, the man cannot do any work properly. A man cannot do any work properly if the brain is not working properly. So these are our internal organs, and we should keep these organs very carefully. We should take care of these organs very carefully. Okay, students? Now, students, come to the next page. In the next page, the important organ which is described in your book is our lungs. So there are two lungs. There are two lungs inside our body. One is at the left side, another one is at the right side. So there are two lungs inside our chest. They help us to breathe. See, these are the lungs. These are the lungs. So they help us to breathe. I already told you that with the help of our lungs we breathe. They fill up with air when we breathe in. So they fill up, the lungs are filled up with air when we breathe in, and then when we breathe out, the lungs become smaller. So therefore these lungs are almost working as the strainer of the air. So whatever dust and everything is there in the air, these lungs sucks those, and the fresh air goes to our body. And the fresh air goes to our body, and you know that the air which we breathe in, from that the oxygen is mixed with the blood, and that purified blood is sent by the heart to our body. So what is the main work of the lungs then, students? There are two lungs inside our chest. They help us to breathe. They fill up with air when we breathe in, and also they freshes the air. They refresh the air that we breathe in. They refresh the air that we breathe in. So this is the work of the lungs. Every organs of our body has got something to do, something good to do our body. All these organs do something good to our body, and therefore only we can be alive. Otherwise, if these organs are not working properly, we cannot alive in a healthy manner, or we may not live also. So therefore these are our lungs. Now nose which is connected to lungs helps in breathing. So nose is connected to lungs. Remember students, nose is connected to lungs. This one is very, very important. Nose which is connected to lungs helps in breathing. So there are some fill in the blanks in your book. We should exercise our brain by playing indoor games like. So some indoor games are there. You can write down chess. You can write down the answer chess. Chess is one of the indoor game. You know the name of the chess, name of chess. So one of the indoor game is chess. So you can write down chess. You can write down chess. The first answer you can write down chess. Then number 2, we should dash, bath, exercise regularly to take care of our lungs. So the answer will be exercise. The answer will be exercise, especially breathing exercise. If we do breathing exercise, our lungs become very good. Our lungs works well. So therefore we should bath, exercise. So the answer will be exercise. You write down here exercise. Or sorry, the first one, ludo and chess is there. I did not see the options. Options are there already. Cricket and football, ludo and chess. Cricket and football are outdoor games, students. So answer will be ludo and chess. The answer will be ludo and chess. There are also options are there. I did not see the options. So therefore the first one will be, what will be the first answer? First answer will be ludo and chess. First answer will be ludo and chess. So all of you have to mark in your book. You mark the answer in your book. You mark with pencil ludo and chess. Second one, exercise. Then third one, we should eat a dash balanced heavy diet to keep our heart healthy. So always we should have balanced diet. Always we should eat balanced diet, not heavy one. Not heavy diet. Heavy diet, it harms our heart and stomach as well. It harms our health. Therefore the answer will be balanced. Balanced means everything in small amount. Everything in equal amount which is required for our body. Then the food we eat goes to our stomach, brain. So which one will be the answer, students? Food must go to our stomach. So the food we eat goes to our stomach. The food we eat goes to our stomach. So next you see, students, the stomach is described for you. Let us see what does our stomach do for us. Why this organ is there in our body? We should know. Stomach. Our stomach looks like a bag. So the stomach, this is the stomach. The stomach looks like a bag. The stomach of our body looks like a bag. This is a stomach, you see. This is a stomach. It's a bag because it keeps all our food inside, and then the digestive system works. So our stomach looks like a bag. It stores the food that we eat. So what does it do? It stores all food that we eat. The stomach helps to digest food. So the stomach helps to digest food. It breaks the food. The food which we eat, first we chew in our mouth and then it goes to the stomach. Again the stomach, what does it do? It again breaks the food into smaller parts. We should eat hygienic food to keep our stomach healthy. So hygienic means fresh, not the stale food, not the this one, the dirty food. We should eat fresh food. So hygienic food. So we should eat hygienic food to keep our stomach healthy. So how can we keep our stomach healthy? By eating hygienic food. If we eat hygienic food, remember the pronunciation, students, hygienic. If we eat hygienic food, then only we can keep our stomach healthy. So our stomach looks like a bag. It stores the food that we eat. The stomach helps us to digest food. We should eat hygienic food to keep our stomachs healthy. So we need to keep all our organs very, very healthy by taking care of it. Then you see, students, bones and muscles. Bones and muscles. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Bones and muscles, they are to keep us active. So they helps us to keep us active. So what do these bones and muscles do? They help us to keep our body active. So let us see how do our see, students, inside our body, the body looks like this. These are the bones. These are the bones of our body. These are the without muscles. If we see, look at only at the bones look like this. This is the inside part of the bones of our body. Okay, see, skull, then orbital activity, nasal cavity. So all these are bones. These are the bones of our body. Okay, these are the bones. See, students, on that bones, when muscles are added with the muscles, these are the muscles. On the bones, you see, these are our muscles. You can see the muscles. These are our muscles. Okay, after the muscles are added, we look like this, and on that we have skins. We have skins. So therefore we cannot see the bones and muscles. On the top of that, what is there? Over the bones there are muscles. Then on that muscles there is skin. So that is why you cannot see the muscles and bones. So that is why these are also our internal part of our body. So therefore bones and muscles. So what are the organs we have learned today, students? What are the organs you have learned? First of all, what you have learned? You have learned about brain. First of all, we have learned about brain. We have learned about brain. Then what did we learn, students? Number 1 was brain. 2 is heart. Heart, heart. And then we learned about what, students? Then we learned about our lungs. Then we learned about our lungs. And then what we learned, students? Stomach. Then stomach. Then stomach. And then what was there? Then we have learned about, what did we learn? Then we learned about bones and muscles, the last one. Bones and muscles. Then we learned about bones and muscles. So students, I hope you have understood the lesson well. So from the lesson I shall give you very short questions in the WhatsApp later on. So first you see this video and give me the feedback whether you have liked the video or not, whether you have understood or not. Thank you so much students for watching the video. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.